Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Fair and Foul Silkies. In today's video we're at Wolsingham show and we're going to be showing you around some of the classic cars that some people have bought here today. So if you come right this way, we'll have a look at them and see what we have. It's a nice colour on that one. Stage colour. Zodiac in the yellow. A blue Wolseley. Nice Ford. There's a blue one, I'm not sure which one that is. If any of you guys out there are car experts, feel free to comment on any of these cars or which one is your favourite. Nice classic looking Mini look-alike, but it says on it Morris Cooper. I don't understand the manufacturing arrangement with that, but interesting nonetheless. Have a look over there at that little red Mini. There's a lovely red Mini there. Wow, that looks amazing inside. So small, it's like a go-kart. Oh, and what I believe to be a Morris Minor or something. I don't know what this is, a Bond it says. Haven't heard of that brand before. Oh, there's a Morris. Van style one.
For those yours who racing is your thing, we have the final display by the small Brooks cut-off display.
Austin. Nice heavy duty car there. Very similar to the Land Rover Defender. Lovely colour as well. There's a Jaguar.
Anybody still requiring a race car, we have it available from Show Information Trailer, which is
Not sure which one that is. Hillman.
trailer behind the green and white.
That one's entered as a classic car, but yeah, just looks like a new car to me. There'll probably be some car enthusiasts out there that would have me hung for saying that, but to me certain cars don't really look like. Yeah, nice MGs though there, and the red one there. Austin, van. What's over here? Oh, a Triumph, very rare. Saab. They don't manufacture Saabs anymore. And a Mercedes 230e. Nice MG there. And then over on this side, got some more lovely classic cars. Another Wolseley one. A classic Vauxhall. Another classic Vauxhall. My gosh, they used to make them big, didn't they? Triumph. Another Triumph. Lovely leather interiors in these cars, very well looked after. A Citroen 2CV6. Very nice colour scheme on that one as well. And an Anglia. That looks, that's actually the, if any of you guys are Harry Potter fans, I'm sure that one's actually used in one of their movies. So very interesting to see one of them here as well. Oh, we've got some, we've already had a look through those ones. Well, these are all of the classic cars here today at Wolsingham show. If you're a car enthusiast, we hope that you've enjoyed having a little look around at what people have entered. And if you enjoy watching our channel, please don't forget to share it with your friends, drop us a like, subscribe to view more of our content. You've been watching Fair and Foul Silkies, we'll hope to see you next time. Bye bye.